I know this is probably going to be really hard for you to believe, but my 4-year-old daughter is kind of obsessed with going to the dentist. She actually likes it. Even when she was just 2 years old, she just blew their minds, just sitting there so nicely and patiently, just waiting to get that work done, get her teeth cleaned. So I thought this would be really cute. I mean, look at it. This is a version of the dentist with Play-Doh. So she can work on her pretend teeth here. I think that's so cute. I'm just going to unbox this for you today because this is going to be a surprise gift here in a few weeks. And let's just take a quick look. Here's the little jaw. Pretty hard plastic. This looks like the upper part, the head. Got a retainer. White with like little green speckles in there. I imagine it's going to be like toothpaste or teeth. It just smells like Play-Doh. That makes it kind of interesting. That's one of the bigger containers. And then you have some regular white. That's a bigger container. And then we have these smaller ones. Like, looks like we got gold, silver for those doing those cavities, right? And this is green, and this one is like a coral pink, looks like. And then we've got a bunch of tools, a toothbrush. This is for the cleaning the plaque off. A drill. Oh, that's cute. You just push that. Oh my goodness. And then flossing. Very important. This goes together. Not really sure what you call that tool, but oh, this poor guy. Look at him. There's little notches in there to be able to put all the Play-Doh teeth in there and make a little tongue. So cute. He looks like a Mr. Potato Head. Cute. He had I guess this is the shot. And then we got a little mirror too. All right. This is awesome. Definitely going to give this my recommendation. I know my daughter is going to be totally blown away when she sees this. I'm sure she's going to be occupied for several hours.